Welcome back to Learn BC. You're here with Jared Case, and please like, share, and subscribe. Before we get started, we are version 27.3 was announced overnight, which is exciting. And you should have got a scheduled email to your Business Central environment. So here, this is our company tenant, and then there's the production environment I can see. And so what I've done is I've gone and pushed 27.3 and pushed the update. I've done that by going into production and just hitting update settings and set the update. And what appears here below, if I go back and do it on a sandbox, let's do it on base build. If I go set update date, I can allow this update to run today. And if I hit like that, schedule update, it's going to push that ahead and roll out 27.3, which is exciting. All right, so Business Central 27.3, what are the updates focused around? You'll get the update notes, which will look like this in your email, and it's very much focused around the Payables agent, which is exciting. They're continuing to advance what's going on with this, and it's going to do away potentially with some third-party extensions that used to do, scanning of emails and invoices and doing three-way matches. And so if you go through the updates here, there's a few things that are interesting. So Copilot match invoices, orders with Payables agent. So per what I said, prioritize invoice draft changes using Payables agent again, and use Payables agent in all countries, regions. So that's primarily the feature changes that are pushing out. Country regions embedded very KO, I don't even know what that is, for Spain, and print IRS 1099 for the US. So these are irrelevant to us in Australia. So it's very easy to see this and look at the feature change and miss what's really going on. So if I scroll further down, I have a couple of known issues here. This is interesting. If you go to deploy an evaluation company, all right, so you're basically creating a company for evaluation purposes, you must set your work date to the 1st of January 2026 or it will fail. And that applies to Australia and New Zealand, US. Okay, that's interesting. I've never seen that before. That's fantastic. And just going a little bit further below here, features becoming mandatory next release wave. This is really important because some of these have massive implication to some customers. So within BC, if you search features, you can see the feature management, and you can see a bunch of these features, and a lot of them are not enabled, okay? So if we look at what's enabled in version 28, which is the next release wave, which is due in April, you're talking Tell Me, the advanced Tell Me is now going to be forced. Calculate only visible power flow fields, that's fine. So that's MCP server access. This is to do with AI. MCP is a protocol that's used for intelligence AI engines integrating into your Business Central. Use optimized text search list, so that's fine. That's another feature. Enable use of GL currency revaluation, that's important. Use the new communication text remote, that's fine. But this one here, this one's the kicker, is the new sales pricing experience, which we love the new pricing experience. But if you don't currently have this configured, and if you've done integrations to prior pricing and you have not evolved to this, this is going to break everything that you do right now. And so you need to be getting ahead of this right now. And then lastly, preview semantics, similarity search on application metadata. So that's all fine. Best thing that I'd be recommending is that you get into a sandbox, you turn all these features in on, and you test these and make sure that you get across these changes. So These feature updates do come out in every single email. The email where Microsoft shot you, or should have shot you, is it says read about this in the overview of the version. You need to get across the version release. It's not just about the feature changes. There's more in these than that you need to be aware of known issues. He's telling you a known bug that's coming out in that version that you need to be across, and then things that they're changing that will become mandatory in previous releases is actually quite an important thing for you to actually monitor. Now, if you're not getting emails like what I've shown you, it means that you're not on the notification recipients list. And so in your environment, if you are an administrator and you go to the admin center, within the admin center, you just click notification recipients and you will get a copy of the email, and everybody's super happy and you can keep on top of your Business Central environment. So 27.3, very much focused around the AP Payables agent, which is super cool. However, it's now alerting us to some things coming out in version 28 of BC that's going to force change across every single environment. I'll see you on the next video.